Good morning, children. Welcome to your English grammar session. And here we are going to start with our chapter number 9 of English grammar, that is gender. What is our topic for chapter number 9? Gender. Now, what is the gender, children? You call some names, children. For example, you say Ram, you say Sita, okay, you say boy, sometimes you say king, sometimes we say king, then father, mother. So we call some people by their names, or we say commonly a boy, king, father, mother. We don't use names. So either they are male, means what is father? Father is a man. So what do we say man? We say male. Mother. What is mother? Mother is a woman. Mother is a woman. And what do we say a woman? Female. So when we categorize people into different names in the form of either male or female, either boy or girl, so what are they known as? This is known as gender. What is this known as, children? This is known as gender. So gender has basically three types. So I will write here, we are going to read about gender. And gender has three types. What are the three types of genders, children? The three types of genders are the masculine gender, means someone who is male. What is a masculine gender? Someone who is male, means a boy. So example of masculine gender, father. Feminine gender, that is mother. So feminine gender means female. And common gender means when you don't know the gender of some person, either he is doctor, she is teacher, you don't know. So here teacher can be male also, female also. Okay, some more example of masculine gender. For example, this is number 1. Example number 2, we can write down boy. Number 3, we can write down hero. Number 4, we can write down bull. Number 5, you can write down the name of any boy, or I am writing uncle. Okay. Now in this feminine, number 1, we can write down mother. Number 2, boy, girl. Number 3, hero, heroine. Bull, cow. Uncle, aunt. So this is male, means masculine gender, and this is female, means feminine gender, that is the female. Feminine of father, mother, boy, girl, hero, heroine, bull, cow, uncle, aunt, like this. Okay. And in common gender, when we don't know what the person is, either he is a boy, girl, we don't know. Example, teacher, doctor, pilot. We don't know what the pilot is. It can be female pilot as well as it can be a male pilot. Then cook can be male as well as female. We don't know if we say about friend. Friend can be boy also, girl also. So when we don't know if the person is boy or girl and we use their name in common, when we use their name in common, means it can be any boy or girl, then it is known as the common gender. Okay, teacher can be a boy, a male or a female. Doctor can be a male or a female. Pilot can be a male or a female. Cook can be a male or a female. And friend can be a male or a female. Okay. Now children, we will see how do we use pronouns for masculine, feminine as well as common gender. Now, for masculine gender, how do we use a pronoun? What kind of a pronoun do we use? So, we can use pronoun like for masculine we will use he, his or him, because all three indicate that the gender is noun or the noun is a male or a boy. For feminine we have to use she, her or hers. Okay, so for feminine we cannot use him, his or her, so we have to use she, her or hers. Then for common gender, we don't know how we have to say to a doctor, a female as well as he can be a male. So we don't know what is the pronoun that we have to use for common gender. So instead of any pronoun, what do we use over here? We use noun itself. We do not write it or we do not use he, she instead of their name. We use noun itself. Okay, here noun itself is used. Now, for example, if I write over here, I'll give you one example of each. So here I have written one example of each children, the masculine, feminine as well as common gender. So, in the masculine gender, first of all, how do we know that it is masculine? We will read the sentence. The king wore his best coat for the procession. So, here I see the word king. And with king, which pronoun we have used? We have used his. Okay. Now we come to feminine. My mother looked very beautiful in her pink sari. So how do we know this is a feminine gender statement? Because here the word mother is visible to us. And along with mother, what have I used? I have used her pink sari. Now we come to common gender. The students are shouting in the class. So how do I know that it is a common gender? We know it because here the students can involve boy as well as girl. Children, if I write over here, the doctor is treating his patients. So the word his will tell me that the doctor is of masculine gender. So I cannot put it in common. Okay, so for common we use noun itself and we do not use any pronoun with it. So I hope this is clear, children. We have read about the three gender, that is the masculine, feminine and common gender. And masculine gender is male, feminine is female and the common gender, it can be either male or female. Okay, so children, I hope this chapter is very clear to you, and along with the examples you are required to do the exercises of the book also. So we are going to end our class over here.